Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to make a copy of layouts on the application of TradingView. To know how to make a copy of layouts on the application of TradingView, you should just go to the app of TradingView as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to find this window charts and you will enter. Then here in this page, you will click in this sign as you see and you will enter. And here in this page you will go to click make a copy. If you will click here, you can click try free for 30 days. Then you can know how to make a copy of layout on the application of TradingView. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.